Here is our second story named The Pigeon Scholar. Once, all the birds and animals were invited to a party. Everyone wanted to look their best. However, the pigeon was busy delivering invitations for the party. It did not get enough time to get dressed up. When he saw the other birds and animals looking so fine, it felt very sad. I will have to go dressed in my boring grey feathers, he thought. But the forest spirits were very kind. They told the pigeon to not worry, we will give you a sparkling collar. The pigeon was very grateful. Since that day, all pigeons wear sparkling blue purple collars. This is our pigeon, and this is the fairy. Bye bye.